growth across Bengaluru. This state-of-the-art campus designed to house 15,000 professionals in the long term will strengthen Karnataka's position as India's innovation workforce engine. It's a milestone in our mission to create high-value jobs and opportunities for our youth. I commend SAP for designing a campus that is not only a benchmark in technological excellence, but also a model of sustainability, aspiring to net zero, water positive and carbon neutral. This aligns perfectly with Karnataka's vision of sustainable industrial development. As we advance in clean energy, sustainable mobility and eco-conscious growth, investments like the demonstrate how economic progress and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Karnataka is deeply committed to fostering a pro-industry, pro-innovation environment through policies like the Karnataka GCC policy, the Beyond Bengaluru mission, and 21 emerging technology centers of excellence. We are enabling the next wave of global technology investments.